Hello everyone, my name is Nam and today I'm going to show you how to do a linear regression class that you can link it with the GUI in Visual Studio. So as you can see, I kind of start with the library like IOStream, FStream, CMath, all of that stuff, and then I also include my linear regression header, which is right here, as you can see. So I'm going to go down, and this is the function to get data from my file, and my data file name is regressiondata.txt. So this is the function to pull the data out, and this is the function where to calculate the sum of x. And then since this is the float function, I have to give it a return value, which is in this case sum of x, as you can see. And then this is the function to calculate the sum of y. This is also the function to calculate the x squared. This is the function to calculate the sum of xy, and this is the function to calculate the slope. And this is the function to calculate the intercept. I call it the base. And this is the function to get x and y. So both this. And this is the function to calculate my new y, which is my linear regression line. And this is where it prints all of the values out. So it's like print result. Alright, so I'm going to move to my linear regression header. So as you can see, I have all of my function as public. I declare it as public, and this is all the function that need to be in private. Alright, so I'm moving on to form header. Yeah, so it's basically like so for button 1, when I click on this, I want button 1 to plot my data, and then button 2, I want it to graph the linear regression line. Thank you.